Hola a todos, hola a todos. Bienvenidos al mundo de español. Welcome to the world of Spanish. Hello everyone. Soy Funky Aco. ¿Cómo están? ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Cómo estás? Espero que muy bien. Espero que muy bien. I hope it well. I hope you're well. And estoy bien. Estoy muy bien, gracias. Y estoy estudiando. Sigo estudiando español porque me gusta español mucho. Okay? And porque estoy interesado en aprender idiomas extranjeros. One more time. Porque estoy interesado en aprender idiomas extranjeros. Because I'm interested in foreign languages. Hablo 3 idiomas. Hablo japonés, hablo inglés y hablo español. Hablo un poco de español, pero, ¿ok? ¿Qué día es hoy? Hoy es sábado. ¿En qué fecha es hoy? Hoy es 17. Hoy es 17 de julio de 2021. ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? ¿O qué clima hace hoy? Hace buen tiempo. It's good weather. And hace sol. O está soleado. O hace sol. No hace frío. Pero, porque es el verano. Because it's summer. It's not cold. Okay? Hace calor afuera. It's hot outside. Pero hace fresco dentro de la casa o en la casa. It's cool in the house. Okay, today, voy a enseñarte nueva gramática. And today I'm going to teach you new grammar. Voy a enseñarte algunas frases que son útiles. Son útiles de usar. I'm going to teach you some phrases that are useful to use. Okay? Ir and future. Ir and future. Okay? Ir means to go or to be going to. Okay? Either both way, it's okay. You can use this word for a sentence meaning to go or to be going to. And I don't know, depends on the context. Either can be used, I don't know how to say it. You can use this word both for, I don't know how to say it in English, but for some sentences, and if you want to use this word, it means to go, but sometimes it means to be going to, and it depends on the context. Do you know what I mean? I really hope you understand what I mean, though. Okay, I'll make a list for you. How to conjugate this word. It's an irregular verb actually. I'll make a list. Okay. Voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. So this is for I, this is for singular casual you, and this is for él or he, ella or she, or usted, formal you, singular. And this is for we, and this is for you all, for Spain, Spanish people. And this is for you all, for Latin American people, or formal you, plural. Okay, let's make a sentence using one of these. Okay, first one. I go to the bank on Wednesdays. So you should use this one, right? Voy al means a el, banco. En miércoles. Next, I want to go to the supermarket. Okay, I want to go to. First, you have to use want to, and the conjugation of want in English. No, the word English. No. ¿Cómo se dice want en español? It's querer, and the conjugation of this word for I is quiero. So you should use quiero. Quiero ir. Quiero ir. You have to use this as it is, because it's infinitive, and you already conjugate the verb already here, and then after the conjugated verb, you have to put the infinitive form of verb, another verb, ir. And al means a el. Supermercado. Okay, next. Do you go to the beach on Sundays? If you want to use go for you, singular casual you should use this one. And vas. No, I'm wrong. If you want to use this word for singular you should use this one, vas. And if you want to make an interrogative sentence, it's a question sentence, which is a question sentence, you have to put the subject or personal pronoun after the verb. You should put the personal pronoun to after the verb, or you can just omit this part. Vas to a la playa. Playa means beach. La playa means the beach. And on Sundays, los domingos. Okay, muy bien. Muy buen trabajo. And then next sentence is, okay, so far we only dealt with present sense, the present tense. Okay, next we're going to use this verb for to be going to. Like, we are going to the party. Okay, we are going to vamos. You should use vamos because this form is the conjugation of this word for we. Vamos. Vamos a means to. We are going to the city. La ciudad. Okay, next. They are going to the store. They, in this case, we're going to use this one. Okay, van. Van going to the store. A la tienda. And if you want to put the subject or personal pronoun, you should put it in front of the verb because it's a usual question, it's usual sentence and it's not an interrogative question. Okay, it's not a question, so either ellos or ellas. If it's a mixture of, it's a group of men and women, you should use this one. But if it's a group of only girls or women, you should use this one. Okay, you did a great job. And one more sentence for you. Okay, to where are they going to? To where? So in this case, where, ¿cómo se dice where en español? Do you remember? Okay, it's donde, right? Donde means where. But you have to put to in front of it in this case, and then you should put a before donde, which makes it a donde. One word. So you should use this one. A. Okay. You have to put the reversed question mark for an interrogative sentence. Okay, a donde means to where. It's a one word. A donde, and they are they. In this case, they means van. You should use this one. A donde van? Ellos. This is a personal pronoun, and if it's an interrogative sentence, you have to put the personal pronoun or subject after the verb, right? This is what I taught you already, and this makes the sentence this way. This. Okay, that's about it for today. Okay, now you understand how to use il, and when you use il, this verb, the sentence can be can mean to go or to be going to, and depend on the context. It means, I don't know how to explain it. Sometimes it means to go, but other times it means to be going to. And which way it could mean depends on the context. And we did some some translations, and some sentences use this word for to go, and some others use this word for to be going to, right? I hope you understand it well. Now, you can make your own sentences using il. And since I wrote the list for you, you know all the conjugation for this word, right? Okay. Esto es todo por hoy. Esto es todo por hoy. That's all for today. Muchas gracias por ver mi lección. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. Okay, nos vemos en el próximo video. Nos vemos en el próximo video y hasta próxima. See you next time. Adiós. Ciao. Goodbye.